To the citation of our plaque. In heartfelt appreciation of the valuable support and meaningful contribution to the schools division of the Pollock City, the willingness to extend help, share resources, and collaborate with the division reflects a genuine care for learners, teachers, and communities. With deep appreciation, the schools division of the Pollock City honors the continued support and partnership which inspire hope and strengthen the spirit of bayanihan within the education family. So this plaque of appreciation is given to the CSWDO, the Center for Children with Special Needs, signed by our Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Maria Liza R. Padilon. May I request the representative of the CSWDO, Mr. Patrick S. Halapadan, and Ma'am Rosary Batilo, to receive the plaque of appreciation for being the SPED Center's stakeholder and partner ever since. Thank you very much. So to more partnership for the SPED Center and the CSWDO. Thank you, Ma'am Saysay. Now for our words of welcome, please welcome again our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Maria Liza Artabalon, for her words of wisdom.
Daghang salamat sa atong MC. Sa ato ang mga ginikanan, atong mga partners, atong mga learners, medyo nainitan na gyud mo, no? Most especially sa mga naglingkod diri sa atubangan, no? Si Konsihal Praxi Rubia, nag-representar kang Mayor Berto. Atong dakong pasalamat itagahan taning kahigayunan today, and we say bulahan kita nga nagtuo sa Ginoo ug kanunay kita nga mapasalamaton sa tanan ng mga grasya nga atong nadawat. And thus si Psalm 139:14 nagingon, I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. Tuo ug saligid ta, si Althea, si Hilbert, sa tingalan natong ni kanta, Janelle, kato sila among us, titik ug kabahin sa kinatibuk-an na indeed, individuals who are wonderfully made. As we kick off the 30th National Autism Consciousness Week, we stand together to celebrate a simple but profound truth. Every individual here is a masterpiece of divine design. Autism is not a limit to what a person can achieve, pero lahi lang yun. And sa manindot na paagi nga masinati nila ang kalibutan. Ang atong mga learners mao ang heart sa ato ang celebration today. And this week, ilang unique na perspective o mga talents na pahinumdum nato na there is more than one way to shine. So never doubt, mga bata, na mo shine din mo, and that you belong, and that ang inyong voice, ang inyong tingog, umatter din sa ato ang katilingban. And nagpasalamat kami with the presence ni Konsihal Rubia na ay nituhog sa iyahang panghuna-huna o pagpati, and slowly napurma niya sa iyang galamhan o iyang conviction, iyang commitment, yung murang dunay action. And ngayon na lang din ko, Sir Patrick, atong gini siyang siging pahinumduman Okay, nakita nato nga doon na siya maayo nga nakita upang lantaw na makatabang nato, makatabang sa atong kabataan aron mas mapalibot po ang atong katilingban. Ang atong mga ginikanan, kabalo ko na ang inyong unconditional love, huwag ginay sukod, is the foundation upon which kami mga dagko sa atong mga bata i-build. Sasama ni Gilbert, kung wala ang suporta sa iyang ginikanan, sama ninyo, wala ang inyo ang pagkugi, asa man taman ra ang atong kabataan. So taman ra nga magsuroy-suroy sa atong tungkaran. Di nila masinati ang mga nasinati po nato. Sa atong mga partners, malipayon ka, and we are deeply thankful kasi sila kanunay nagtabang nato, no? To build a society where inclusion isn't just a word, but a lived reality. So, salamat Sir Patrick sa imong pamunuan sa inyong opisina, Ma'am Julie, partner na napudaan, atong mga ginikanan, o katong mga donors, mga sponsors nato nga, wala lang sila karon, no? Sama sa ato ang PTA, di ba? Nagpahigayon man to sila og autism run. Kato, tungod kay gusto ta nga makatigong og pundo na atong ikaayuda sa atong mga panginahanglan sa atong operation sa SPED Center. And also, si Ma'am Kika, if you have heard, si Ma'am Rai, no? Wagid siya nagpanagana na mutunol sa iyang hinabang aron makumpleto katong classroom dito. Ang atong local government, pinamunuan ni Mayor, na human sa pipila ka mga pangutana, ni oo, aron mapatuman nato ang ato ang ihandog na ILRC na atong matukod dito sa musibog na lang ta. Pero insakto ra sa tumusibog-sibog ka dito kay mas hawan dito, mas dako ang hawan, mas dako ang lugway nga makadagan-dagan ang ato ang mga bata. Kay dili na siya sikit sa karsada gyud nga puno sa daghang sakyanan. Dahil doon po siya dito sa ospital. Dahil karsada lang gihapon, upside simentado. So, daghang salamat Sir Rem Ryan, ato ang principal na pugi yun kayo, sige subay-subay, sige po update na to. Nga, ma'am, kanina lang mao'y kulang dito. Identitan po na to dahil si Ma'am Giselle. Karong Ma'am Giselle, naunsa naman to? Subayan yun, ipa-update din na to sa atong meeting na po. Sa atong mga teachers, we congratulate you. Malipayon kayo ni, na-appreciate na mo ang tanan ninyong ihatag na tabang. Ilagi na po atong mga magtutudlong na wala unta sila training yun anang SPED kay wala na nila specialization pero takulangaw lang doon ay nagpa-enroll dito nila. So, kaning lasting na itong partnership will forever be cherished. Knowing na collaborating with all of you ensures na ang journey sa ato ang mga kabataan, sa ato ang classroom, sa atong community would be seamless. And ang suporta, walay po as yun. So this week, again, as we say, move ta forward, kadili lang maghuna-huna nga nakadungog ta, nasuheto ta, pero mas mahimong na tangible pinagi sa itong mga paningkamot, ang ato yun kaning tinutanay nga lihok nga makatabang sa atong kabataan. I thank you all for your presence and your participation, your collaboration and your support. Congratulations sa tanan. Happy 30th National Autism Consciousness Week.
Thank you, Ma'am Lisa, for your always support. To formally close this afternoon's program, please join me in welcoming the Assistant CSWDO, Ma'am Ventia D. Gregory, for her closing remark.
A blessed Autism Consciousness Week celebration to everyone. Blessed yun ta kaayo kay special kayo ta sa Ginoo. Imong tapat, you are special in the sight of God. So ako pagyugpo sa atong very supportive City Mayor Honorable Roberto Y. Uy, represented by Honorable Praxedis Rupia, atong buotan na SDS Dr. Maria Rizal Calderon, atong school supervisor na akong sangay, Ma'am Jupi Samante, atong school head, no, si Sir Ryan Butaso, and of course, among head sa CSWD, Sir Patrick S. Halakpadan, among kauban sa buhat, Mr. Sari S. Patilong, o sa tanang CSWD staff, and DepEd, to all wonderful parents, amazing children, dedicated volunteers, and cherished guests, good afternoon, everyone! As we bring this special Autism Week celebration to a close, my heart is full of gratitude and joy. Today we've shared stories, no? And shown the world that our community is all about love, acceptance, and endless possibility. We've seen that incredible talents of our children shine bright. Every word spoken, every step taken, and every moment of connection. We felt the unbreakable bond between parents and their little ones, a bond that proves love knows no limits. Remember, this celebration doesn't end today. Let's carry the spirit of this week with us always. Let's continue to be advocates for our children, to support one another as families, and to build a community where every person is seen, valued, and celebrated for who they are. To our parents, thank you for trusting us with this moment and for all you do every single day. To our beautiful children, thank you for reminding us what truly matters in life. You are our inspiration and our greatest gift. As we head home today, let's hold our heads high and know that together we are creating a brighter, more inclusive world for every child. Thank you all for being here. May we carry this warmth and hope with us always. Happy Autism Week, and here's to many more celebrations of our amazing community. God bless everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Jovi. So that concludes our opening program for this day. Thank you very much for being part of our milestone. The parents, the teachers, the learners, our dignitaries. Thank you very much for celebrating with us for the 30th National Autism Consciousness Week. Again, let us continue to build a world of inclusion and understanding. Again, we are all ready. Ready. All right, so let's have photo opportunity. I request the teachers to please come here for the photo op.